The Galaxy Z Flip6. These flip and fold phones are notorious, unfortunately, for their a little bit more vulnerable than normal phones. I think that they've come a very long way. This hinge is amazing. Yeah, it's actually pretty bonkers how good it is. There's a lot of protection that Samsung have considered and thought of when building this thing, but obviously we want to put a nice cover on top. So I've got a whole bunch of different Samsung official covers that we're going to be trying out and putting on here. If you enjoyed this video or if you find it helpful, there's a couple of things you can do to help me. If you could obviously like and share this video, it means a huge amount. But also, I do have affiliate links to all these products, so if you do like them, either one of them, just, you know, use my link. Feel free to do that. It helps me out. And also, it's easy access for you to the, you know what I'm saying, to the... This video specifically is about the Silicone case. Now, I love the Silicone cases. They're probably my favorite for the S24 Ultra. Just because they're the most durable and the most practical. I apologize for this rusty ass NT cutter. Americans call it NT cutter. In South Africa, we call them craft knives. Okay. This is the gray one. Oh, okay. Comes with a piece of paper. Of course, I was thinking there might be some moving parts here, but obviously not. So these silicone cases, by default, come with this ring, and you'll find it as well with the clear case, because they've got the clear slim case without this ring. This helps prevent you from dropping it. I like that as well, because it's not just about making this like scratch-proof and durable. It's also about making sure that you hold it correctly. So let's get this guy on. I wouldn't put the gray case on the yellow. I guess yellow and gray do work together, but like you've bought like a yellow case, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to do that. Okay, it fits on quite snugly. I haven't done the stickers. So these blue tabs that you're noticing right now, let me actually just do it quick sticks. So these blue tabs come off. I've seen this because when I had my Fold, I had covers, all the covers have this. So this, all these little blue tags, yay, get off my finger. Well, they'll stick the phone down and protect the case from slipping off. And I guess that keeps it like slimmer. That's nice. Still slams shut, then we've got to do the slam shut test. I also like to look and see how it fares along the cameras. Yep, it's flush with the cameras, which is good. It feels like the Samsung Silicone case. This is an interesting choice here. The power button isn't covered. But of course, it's because it's got a fingerprint reader in it. That's why. But it does look cool. Like it gives it its own edge. At least they've given it some like definition. I haven't set up my unlock with the fingerprint yet. Still got to do the review of the device, which we'll get to. And then let's hold this ring. So how would you do this, right? Is it cool for gaming? Actually, this could slap for gaming, because you could like hold the ring like this while you game and it vibes. Well, let's check out the blue one versus the gray one. I've got fingerprints all over that cover. That's actually Jess. She grabbed it as soon as I unboxed it, and no, it is what it is. Ugh. Okay, same story, same box, same like stickers, just slightly different color. You could get both of these and mix and match, but like who's balling like that in 2024? Okay, I'm actually not going to stick this one down just yet. I'm just going to fold that blue tab down. Right. Actually, quite like it. I just wanted to test what that sticker coming off was. This is kind of like a reusable sticker vibe. You can take it off and on. Actually, it's gonna slowly affect the stickiness of this, but the traction is there, right? This thing and my finger, just like, at least you only have to unbox it once or put it on once. Woo! Now it's on the phone. It's not sticky, so that's so let's stick this on. There we go. See, like, if I just stuck it down, it would have been skew, but like, because of this traction. Okay. I think I don't know which one I prefer, the gray or the blue. And look at the, like on the hinge, this one looks like it's coming out a bit. I think that's me. Oh, it's because of this side. There we go. There we go. Now it's popping out on that side. I don't know if it's just me, but is it a visual illusion? I'm just going to put this here for everybody, but is this skew? Did I do something wrong? Did I apply it incorrectly? Feels like there's a bump here. It is. This side is ever so slightly thicker than this side. Check. It's more prominent, obviously, with the cover on. It's not because I've incorrectly put the cover on, it's the phone. All right, so that's the silicone case. You know, this is standard. This will give it protection. It slaps. Yeah, I really like this ring. This is an interesting part of this ring. It's like, this is not fabric. You know, these rings often have fabric here. This is not a fabric thing. This is something else. I can't even, it looks like it's a kind of rubber. I guess it's, I would think fabric would be more durable. But I mean, if you're walking around the street, oh, you know what? This is actually way more bendable. So like, you put your finger in and you want to be able to do that, right? And then you can hold it and it's just like a little bit more user-friendly or useful. I think this is really cool for using the phone this way, but if you use the phone in flex mode with it, yeah, I think it's gonna be a good way just to protect you from dropping the phone. I think I prefer the gray, I don't know. Let me know in the comments which you prefer. Get rid of these little blue tags. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these covers. I'm going to be doing all the official ones. And if you are looking at picking up one of these, I've included an easy to access link in the description. Just easy to get to. I'll see you in another one of these videos. Cheers.